Every thought deserves my time. Some dissolve if left behind. What turns inward, sharp and strained, carries weight I will not claim. Ideas form from harm or doubt, wear themselves from the inside out. But while they fade, they leave a trace. If I allow them inner space, I observe before I stay. I release what drains away. I let go of what depletes. I don't feed what breaks my peace. What is harmful cannot last. When awareness moves in fast, I choose thoughts that build and clear, and release what spreads discord here. Destructive patterns fall apart, but not without a heavy start. They press against the inner field until attention learns to yield. I don't fight or entertain, I withdraw sustaining gain. When I remove the mental fuel, disruption loses pull. I let go of what depletes. I don't feed what breaks my peace. What is harmful cannot last. When awareness moves in fast, I choose thoughts that build and clear, and release what spreads discord Clarity dissolves the strain without force or inner pain. When I stop supporting harm, order returns calm and warm. I release what cannot stand in a balanced inner land. I choose